AI just put me in 10 Hollywood movies. The Marvel Cinematic Universe, Oppenheimer, even as Barbie? Let me explain, don't ask, just watch. This is Higgsfield. Imagine VO3, Sora, DALL-E, all the best image generators and video generators in one website. What feature I want to focus on today? Face swap feature. Now this is not like any other face swap website. It outputs 4K high quality pictures and it chooses the best model based on your input. Like, it's very cool. Now rather than me just blabbering, let me show it to you. First, you need to choose your face. So I have a lot of pictures of me. I'm just going to use this, or not just yours, any face you want to put into the other picture. Now make sure you have consent of that person. Now here we have a lot of models that we can choose from GPT, ChatGPTs to Googles. I'm just going to go with Higgsfield Face Swap because it is one of the best, and let it do its work. Now I'm just going to do this with another picture as well. Oh god, please don't be bad. For my presentations which I do in these colleges and all, for it to be more fun, I even use Higgsfield to generate videos so I will look like a genie and stuff. Chef, it's very cool. So now it's in progress. I'll see you when this is done. Bye bye. What is that? That's actually so accurate and so spooky at the same time. If you notice, I just shared one picture of me and from the front, right? How did it even know? Let's look at me as a girl in Barbie. Do not make fun of me, please be good. That's actually good. It even changed the skin tone so it perfectly fades. Oh my god, the hair. God, it's actually so funny. Okay, Papa, come here. Okay, okay, let's look at the next one. Hey, this is actually sick. I look cool as Iron Man. Hello, guys. All these are very high quality pictures. Basically, the quality I uploaded the original image in, right? This is the biggest advantage of Higgsfield because this is no more games like Nano Banana where you're just uploading the picture and it's giving you a lower quality. You can actually use this for marketing. You can actually use this for a lot of different ways. You can actually use it professionally. Now, what is the use of just a picture? I can do it on a poster or something, right? But imagine I wanted to, so funny, animate. Now I can make it UGC. UGC means if you want yourself to talk about a certain, let's say a brand, or let's say a soda, or basically your perfume or any product which you have, you want to show it off but you don't want to be in front of your camera. By that time, I want to show you guys something. So there is lip sync, a lot of things. I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to go to speak. I'm going to make myself say, I am Iron Man. Okay, it's generating. Let's see. Let's check out the animation from this. Oh god.
Here we go, from ocean waves to cosmic flights.
Okay, so now you can do weird things like this, but you can get good professional outputs when you need it as well. You can put ingredients, like different things you want there to be in the video, different images, everything is there. Now, show you the other output as well.
I am Iron Man.
That's actually so cool, right? I got the height which I never had, guys. Now, I can go on forever and ever, but it's up to you. Go to Higgsfield's website, try these out on your own, and tell me how it was. Go to the comment section. And this video was sponsored by Higgsfield, so thank you so much. But even if it was not sponsored, I have already paid for their subscription. I love their AI. So go try it out. Tell me in the comment section how the video was, how this Higgsfield is. And that's it. My name is Rahul. You're watching Rahul the Rockstar. And I'm signing out.